How to turn on or turn off color filters grayscale screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Display and Text Size. In here, we scroll down and tap on Color Filters. At the top here, make sure you turn on color filters by tapping on the toggle button to switch on color filters. Now in here, select grayscale option. This will turn your screen to a grayscale kind of black and white color. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now at the bottom here, there is a intensity bar. You can drag on it to apply the intensity of the color filter, of the grayscale color filter to your screen. And that's it. Finally, just swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.